back to my channel. I'm Carla. If you're new here, I make plus size fashion videos, vlogs, share all about the behind the scenes of running my own clothing line. Would love if you stick around. I'm getting back into YouTube, and I would love if you hung out here. Today we're doing a classic summertime vlog. We're actually at my parents' lake house in Virginia, and we're spending the next couple days here. We are going to just try to get some sun. It's supposed to be super beautiful. We're gonna fill up the baby pool. It's gonna be really fun. Also doing a lot of cooking. I feel like cooking is like the activity we do while we're here. And then I also brought my needlepoint and 2 books, so I should be set up, plus obviously the baby. She's currently taking a nap, and Max is sitting outside on one of the lounge chairs, so I think I'm gonna go join him and work on my book a little bit. I've been reading Swan Song by Ellen Hildebrand. This, I think, just came out. I actually got an early release version of this, but I didn't get started on it until recently, but it's really good. I really like it. I guess I'm like halfway through. Okay, you wanna go have some dinner? Maybe I put you in the high chair and we can go outside and watch Daddy cook it on the blackstone. Okay, for dinner we're doing something kind of easy. We're doing like stir-fried chicken. So I have chicken thighs, some sauces, these pot stickers from Aldi, broccoli, and then Trader Joe's fried rice. And I'm gonna have Max teach me how to cook it all on the blackstone. I know the blackstone's not hard, but I wanna actually be able to use it really well myself because I wanna get one for our own house. I love it here. I feel like it's the best thing, and we're gonna do like all our meals on it. Made some sourdough discard crackers, like cheese crackers. They're actually really good.
What's that after?
Our dinner was so good. Max is literally outside like washing off the high chair because Paige loved this dinner. Loved it so much she got it everywhere. Playing on the floor over there. We have this house like really well set up because we come here so often. So I'm gonna show you guys how we have like our bedroom set up because we all stay in one room. This weekend we could use another bedroom, but it's honestly just as easy to have everything like totally set up. It's so nice when we come down. I don't even bring clothes. We have clothes here for me, all 3 of us. I have like a couple sets of pajamas for Paige, a couple onesies, a couple cute outfits, diapers, wipes, the whole 9 yards. It's all here so that we're like ready to go. We also have like a little play mat over there that was an extra. I have a pack and play and a slumber pod over it, and then we have a white noise machine, like the travel hatch one, and then a monitor so that we can literally get here and just like stick her in her crib, because a lot of times we come at night and then need to go to bed as soon as we get here. So anyway, that makes it really nice. I also have some of her like puffs and stuff I just keep here. I need to like restock some of that stuff, but makes it like so easy. But yeah, I'll have to show you guys like how we have set up. If you guys have not heard of a slumber pod, you need one. Slumber pods are so good. I was gifted it for my baby shower, and I would buy it with my own money. Like it is so helpful. It's a blackout tent. I'll like put in some videos of it, and you just unzip it and put the baby in there. It's like a little tent. It's very breathable, which is nice, so it doesn't actually feel any hotter. Like it's the same temperature in our room as it is in there. It's a total blackout, so you can turn the lights on in our room and she will not wake up, especially with the sound machine on. Those 2 things are clutch. And then I have a cheap monitor. I can link the one I have. It's actually great. I have a more expensive monitor at home, and then I also was given a Nanit from Nanit, which the Nanit is really nice. I do really like it, but this monitor is like pretty good for, I think it was like maybe 50 bucks. I think I got it on sale. But it's honestly just so nice because I just have it all set up down here. So if you go somewhere regularly, like your parents' house or vacation spot or whatever, having just like a travel monitor so you don't have to remember to like grab the monitor every time is really nice. So this is the slumber pod in our room. You just have to kind of walk through here. It's fine. Inside is a pack and play, a little crib sheet, and then sound machine is in there. And then on this side, there's like a clear plastic bottom, and that's the baby monitor. And you just unzip this, put her in, zip it back up, and it gets so dark in here. I don't know if I can show you guys, but so dark. You ready for bed? Good morning, you guys. I slept so well. The baby slept so well. My Oura ring says I got like 8.5 hours of sleep, and I feel like I didn't move. I also had crazy dreams. So anyway, really happy. Baby slept the whole night without nursing, which is kind of uncommon for her, so that's really nice. And we're all just well rested. Although ironically, I was like, if I wasn't well rested, I could have just like taken a nap today because we don't have anything on the schedule. It's gonna be a chill day. Max is outside making breakfast on the Blackstone. Paige is sitting there with him eating some puffs, and I'm making some coffee. She looks so cute. I got her these hats from Amazon. I'll show you them, but they actually fit so good. These are the little hats I got Paige. That comes with this one and then a white one. She's wearing the white one this morning. But this one is gonna look so cute with one of her little swimsuits. I'm so excited. I think the little bow is so cute, but I like really that it has this nice wide brim and the little chin strap because we need sun protection. I just wore it the other day and I got a couple new things. I got this Tower 28 SOS spray that I'm excited to try out more. I've used it a couple times, but the reason I brought up sunscreen is because I got the Supergoop Glow Screen. I got it in the golden hour color, so I'm interested to see if this looks too dark on me. I got like the tiny one because I was like, let me just try this before I commit. It definitely has some color to it. I don't know if I like that. I feel like it kind of looks like I have self-tanner on my face. I gotta look at it in the light. How do we like the sunscreen? I like honestly can't see it because it's so bright out here. I look like I should go play.
Do you do crosswords?
Yeah, I was gonna say pickleball, but I don't even think this is sporty enough to be a pickleball player.
Well, I thought I knew.
Beginning of summer, I went through all my bathing suits and put a pile of like maybes. I got rid of a couple and then I have a couple of maybes. This was a maybe. I got this for our honeymoon in Hawaii and I really like it, but it's very low cut. And so I don't wear it that much. I don't know if I'm gonna get rid of it. I decided I'm gonna try to wear all the maybes and then decide because I have a lot of swimsuits. This is from the brand Ray, which is like a Texas based company. And they came out with these caftans at some point, and this is there's two sizes. This is like the plus size. I really like it. It's so comfortable. It's super long. Maybe I can show you. Really long. Anyway, it's super comfortable. It's obviously shapeless, but I love that it has a lot of shoulder protection, so I can just put sunscreen here. And then I'm obviously gonna wear my hat, and I'm gonna be under shade most of the day. Ready to go. This weekend's a bit of a bummer because we can't swim. I mean, technically we could, but there's been an E. coli outbreak at the lake. And they don't know if it's related to the water. The water's like testing fine, so I don't really know, but just to be extra careful, we're not gonna swim. But it's such a bummer because it's so hot today. It's like 90 degrees and I would love to just be floating in the water. Came up to the house to have some lunch, get Paige up from her nap, and then I switched into this bathing suit because that bathing suit was not comfortable. I think I'm gonna get rid of it because it's just, it did not pass the test. We're listening to all 90s country, and it is the best vibes. I came up from the water because I was getting so hot down there, and since we can't swim, there's like no way to cool yourself off. Took a shower, brought Paige in, got her all nice and clean, put her in some clean clothes, a little onesie, and I put her down for a nap even though it's 5 p.m. I think I'm gonna go get some stuff out to start making dinner. Max is still down by the water just reading. I'm trying to give him a little time to chill since it's Father's Day weekend.
You came into my life like a sweet embrace, swept me off my feet and made me whole again. You came in my life, I wanna see your face. Never will I be the same again. Well, I thought I knew what life was all about. That
Just to be a little girl with watermelons sitting on the deck.
I was going on, still minding my own business, never knew.
So we have good news. We tested the lake again this week and it came back with no E. coli. They like posted the results last night. So I think we're good to swim in the lake. I still don't think I'm gonna put Paige in because I just pool. She doesn't really need to go in. She's a baby pool. She's good. But I think Max and I can float, and I probably am just gonna like float on the top, you know? But I'm so excited and I'm so happy that no one else is getting sick. And thankfully it sounds like everyone has like recovered now, which is great. People got really sick, which is scary. It tested like right near us, and it's all good. So that makes me feel better. It's been good a couple times now, so like I feel like we can confidently say that it's hopefully gone. I'm wearing this Amazon bikini bathing suit. It's like a high-waisted bikini set. I got this probably 2 years ago, and it was actually a little bit tight, and now it fits, and I actually really like it, and it's really great for breastfeeding, so I've worn it a couple times this summer already. I also spent some time yesterday working on some things for the dress line. I am hopefully launching a couple more products, different types of products. You guys maybe saw a little sneak peek of those. Bad news I got today is that I like wired money to my factory, and it's taking a couple days to get there, and they can't release the shipment until the payment gets there. So unfortunately I was supposed to have product ship like on Thursday or Friday, and I don't think it's gonna ship till Monday or Tuesday. It's not the end of the world, it's not that big of a deal, but I'm a little bit bummed because I was really hoping to get that stuff like as soon as possible. And it's probably gonna take, I don't know, it could take up to 2 weeks to get it. So it's a little bit of a bummer. There's a dress that I really wanted to launch for 4th of July, and I don't think I'm gonna be able to do that, but hopefully people will still wanna shop it. I still think it's really cute, and I'm obviously still gonna wanna wear it a lot, but just like, oh, it's so hard. Maybe the shipment will be really fast, but it's kind of doubtful.
You came into my life like a sweet embrace, swept me off.
Okay, I just fed Paige some lunch and then put her down for a nap, and now I'm making lunch for Max and I. Another thing I really like about this monitor, I know I talked about at the beginning of the video, the Hello Baby one, is that it goes all the way to the dock. So we can put the sound on and hear her all the way down and actually still see her too. And it makes it so nice because we don't have to, someone doesn't have to stay up at the house, but we can still, you know, keep an eye on her. Before I finish this vlog, I wanted to do a quick book review because I finished 2 books this weekend. First one, Ellen Hildebrandt's Swan Song. I thought this was really good. It kind of gives me like old school Ellen Hildebrandt. If you've read some of her more recent books, like Hotel Nantucket, I feel like that one's like a little different. 5-Star Weekend, maybe a little different. This one feels kind of like her older stuff, so if you're like that, then I think you'll like this. It has some of the same characters from the Castaways and something else. I don't remember what the other book is. Also her last book about Nantucket, at least for right now, and it's her 30th book, which is so insane. Anyway, this book I definitely wanted to keep reading. As I was reading it, like it kept me hooked. I don't have like a rating system for books, but if I did, I would probably give this like, I don't know, 3.5 out of 5 stars, 4 stars out of 5. I don't know how, maybe 4 stars. I liked it, I had fun, but I'm not like a very intense critic. Okay, and the second book I finished was This Summer Will Be Different by Carly Fortune. If you have read any of her books, her first one was Every Summer After. So good, loved that one. Then I read Meet Me at the Lake, and I was just so about that book. I feel like it was a big, like definitely not as good as Every Summer After. This one is really good. It's so cute. It reads like a Hallmark book. It reads like a Hallmark novel. It's like so, I don't know, so cute, so fun. I like was kind of sad when it was over because I wanted to just keep reading. It's like when your favorite TV show is over. I really liked this book, and I thought it was really sweet. The character development was really good. I don't know, it had some like twists. Anyway, I really loved it. I thought it was really cute, and I'm really glad I read it. You okay? Snacking on some watermelon. This Summer Will Be Different. I would definitely give a 4 out of 5 stars. I feel like this one was really good. I would recommend this. Okay guys, I think that's the end for this vlog. We are going to pack up and head home so we can celebrate Father's Day tomorrow, but I will see you guys in my video next week. Bye.